Still on your money? Here is Greg Valliere with Horizon Investments. Okay, Greg, welcome back. Always good to see you, even on a day like this, young man.
Yep.
The stock sell-off, bad news for President Trump and the GOP heading to the midterms. That's a political question, first of all.
Well, I think everywhere you look, there's instability, Stuart, whether it's the pipe bombs or the caravan or the stock market. I'd say there's one other issue that hasn't gotten as much attention, and that's pre-existing conditions. I've been flying all over the country the last couple of weeks, piling up frequent flyer miles, and I watched the campaign ads. That's an ad theme that the Democrats may get some mileage out of.
What's your call at this moment? That the Republicans increase their majority in the Senate, but lose the House? Is that where you're going?
The Senate, I think, is likely. House, maybe a little less likely. I think there's been a slight momentum shift there. But the headline, in my opinion, Stuart, is that this will not be viewed as a tidal wave, maybe a high surf warning, but the idea that there's going to be a tsunami, I think, has been overdone. I think the Democrats got a little too giddy late summer. They'll do okay, but I don't think they'll do as well as they thought 2 months ago.
I want to talk strictly money and the technology companies. They've had a fantastic bull run, and boy, are they down today. Is the bull run in tech over?
I think it's premature to make that call. We've declared the death of that sector many times over the last 2 or 3 years as things got frothy. I think things did get really frothy late summer, but no, I think it's way too premature to make that call. Let me make one other quick point, Stuart. Sure. That is, the inflation data this morning was incredibly bullish. This PCE, personal consumption expenditures, inflation is now falling. It's well below the Fed's target. I would predict the Fed is going to have to rethink the pace of its tightening.
Was that the nugget that you really caught on to within the GDP report? Consumption up 4%?
Yeah, so great number on growth. I think growth continues at a very strong pace. There's plenty of stimulus in the pipeline right now. But the other part of the story, that the Fed would have to tighten aggressively, that looks a lot less likely.
I'm picking up a lot of positive feelings from all the people that we've had on the show thus far this morning. And we've been constantly looking at the market, individual stocks, big tech, they're all down. I'm calling it a sea of red across the board. Yeah. And yet, there's a lot of positive stuff coming from Greg Valliere, David Dietz, Mike Murphy, Michelle McKinnon, and everybody on the show.
Yeah, well, you know, it's October. You know, it seems like every October we go through something like this. We had such a tremendous rally earlier in the year. The fundamentals are still really, really solid.
Got it. Greg Valliere,
okay.
Thanks again. Always a good thing to have you on the show, and we appreciate it, sir. Thank you very much indeed.